Hello friends, welcome back to the daily current affairs quiz discussion where we will be discussing the most important current affairs questions from today's The Hindu newspaper. Guys, in my analysis, if you master the Hindu newspaper, then easily you will be able to master the current affairs of the UPSC prelims examination because most of the questions are coming from the Hindu newspaper in the last few years. So guys, today apart from the five current affairs questions which I have framed from the newspaper, I am also going to discuss five to six PYQs related to those concepts so that you understand what is the demand of the UPSC. So guys, let us begin. So very first question I have framed on a very important article which came in the newspaper today about DPSP and fundamental right. What is the relationship between DPSP and fundamental rights? Very important. A lot of important concepts are mentioned in this article about DPSP, fundamental rights, right to property, ninth schedule, and some important Supreme Court judgments also. Let us see the question, guys. Consider the following: social democracy, political democracy, economic democracy. DPSP aims to achieve how many of the above? Guys, we all know that political democracy is the goal of fundamental right, whereas social democracy and economic democracy is basically the goal of DPSP. So guys, answer will be only two. It's a very important question. Let us now move to the second question, guys. Consider the following. If there is a law in violation of directive principle of state policy, then the court do not have the power to declare it as unconstitutional. Statement 2 says DPSP are not justiciable. Guys, statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is correct, and statement 2 is correct explanation of statement 1. Therefore, answer will be option A. Guys, such kind of assertion reason question are very popular nowadays in UPSC. You need to solve such kind of questions. Guys, now let us see some of the PYQs which have come on the topic. Under the Indian Constitution, concentration of wealth violates what? So guys, concentration of wealth violates directive principle of state policy. Next, consider the following statements with reference to the DPSP constitutes limitations upon DPSP constitutional limitations upon. So DPSPs are not limitations. Okay, fundamental rights are limitation. DPSPs are not limitation. So the answer will be neither one nor two. Which of the part of the constitution declares India as a welfare state? Again, it is the DPSP. So you can see UPSC has asked a lot of questions about the nature aim of DPSP. For example, you can see that DPSP, okay, they are not enforceable by the court. Okay, so such kind of questions, they are fundamental in the governance of the state. So a lot of questions have come. Also, they have questions come on right to property because right to property is there also in this article. So you need to go through these questions which has come on right to property. So right to property, guys, is a legal right available to any person. Guys, initially the right to property was a fundamental right, but later on it was degraded from a fundamental right to a constitutional right. Okay, through a constitutional right, you can see here. Okay, 44th Amendment to the Constitution. Now it is a constitutional right under Article 300A. So this is very, very important. Okay, guys. So So you can see a lot of questions have come about ninth schedule also. Questions on ninth schedule because ninth schedule was also in news today. You can see about ninth schedule. You can see here. You can see 31B First Amendment to the Constitution. You can see here ninth schedule. Okay, ninth schedule IR Colo case. Okay, very very important. Okay, so I have just shared with you questions on ninth schedule. Ninth schedule was basically added to the constitution from the first amendment, and it was during the prime ministership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Guys, initially any law which was put in the ninth schedule was beyond judicial review, but after the IR Colo case, all the laws which are added after the Keshav Bharti case 1973, after that they will be okay under the judicial review. Okay, so you can see this question: Parliament can place a particular law in the ninth schedule. This is correct. The validity of the law in the ninth schedule cannot be examined by any court and no judgment can made on it. This is incorrect because now, okay, after the Keshavananda Bharti case, okay, which is 1973, any law put after that are basically under judicial review. Okay, so let us see the next question, guys. The next topic is on pre-monsoon shower. Guys, Bengaluru this year is not receiving any pre-monsoon shower. April month is the driest month. April month is the driest month in the last 41 years. In this context, I have framed a question on pre-monsoon shower. You can see here, consider the following: mango showers, cherry blossom, Kal Vaisakhi. How many of the above are pre-monsoon shower? Guys, all three are pre-monsoon showers. Pre-monsoon showers are very important. You can see it is covered in NCRT also. Mango showers in Karnataka and Kerala, blossom showers again in Kerala and nearby Karnataka, and the nor'westers. Nor'westers are also called Kal Baisakhi in the West Bengal, Odisha, Assam, Jharkhand. So these are very important. These showers, pre-monsoon showers, are very important for different crops. For example, mango shower for mango, cherry blossom for okay coffee, and nor'westers for paddy cultivation. Okay. So guys, please do read about the pre-monsoon showers also. The next question is on International Workers' Day. You can see this question, guys. May 1 is observed as May Day, also referred as International Workers' Day. This is correct. On this day, ILO was founded in 1919 as a part of Treaty of Versailles that ended the World War II. Statement 2 is incorrect. So the answer is statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is incorrect. Answer is option C. Guys, International Workers' Day is observed on May 1st because of the Haymarker affair. So please read about Haymarker affair. It happened in Chicago. It happened in Chicago. In on this memory, it is observed. Next question I have framed on Tirupur. Guys, there was a news in the like economic section that Tirupur garment exports will show a revival. Guys, you can see already UPSC has asked question on Tirupur in 2005 that what is the export from Tirupur. So guys, you can see Tirupur basically exports what? Garments. Okay. And I have framed the question on this. You can see here towns of export excellence and the product. Tirupur, seafood. This is incorrect. It is basically garments. LFP, coir product. This is correct. Malihabad, horticulture. This is also correct. Vishakhapatnam, textile. This is incorrect. It is seafood. You see how I interchange these two things. Okay, so the answer is only two. So guys, please do prepare all such topics which are there in towns of excellence. This is question number five, I think. This is question number five. Okay. You can see here question number five. Then we have question number four. This is question number four. Then this is question number three. Yeah. You see how many PYQs we have solved. We have solved at least 10 PYQs. And you see the quality of current affairs quiz. Guys, every month for prelims 2025 student, let me tell you guys, every month I'm going to conduct a current affairs test, a monthly current affairs test. I will be putting all important questions in that monthly current affairs test. Do not miss that test. Guys, please share this video with all aspirants who are preparing for the prelims 2025. This initiative is really going to add a lot of value to your preparation. Any serious candidate for prelims 2025, please do follow this initiative. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.